Hi, everybody. This is Elektra Yao, immigration attorney and entertainment attorney. I'm here to talk to you tonight about work options during school. Yesterday, we talked about work options during post-school after you graduate and what you can do. And tonight, I want to talk about what you can do as a student while you're in school. So as always, please like and share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of really great information that I give based on questions that I get every day at work from different clients and different people who are interested in learning about immigration. So you're in school, you're an international student, and you want to figure out what your options are while you're in school. So unfortunately, there aren't that many options while you are still in school. So your first year of university, you are actually limited to working a maximum of 20 hours on campus. So depending on the type of program that you're enrolled in or the type of school that you're enrolled in, after your first year of university, you can engage in what's known as CPT. And oftentimes for different programs or degree programs, there is a requirement, a degree, an internship requirement to graduate from the program. So the CPT would be the internship that you would be engaging in to be able to graduate from that program. Now, there's another employment that occurs during university or during your time in school, which is called pre-OPT. And that basically allows you to work while you are in school. But that will, hi Lauren, thank you for tuning in and watching. But that will, most students don't take that option because they really want to get the full 12 months once they graduate from university. Now, how you choose to navigate your professional career during school is, I believe, completely strategic and should be in preparation for your visa options. Hi, Mina Karp on TikTok. So, like I said, it should be very, very strategic. Yesterday, we talked about students being able to open up a company and not run a company, but hire people to run the company, open up business bank accounts, and then end up working in that company post-graduation. So again, you can work on campus your first year of university, limited to a maximum of 20 hours a month, 20 hours a week. And then you can engage in CPT if your school allows for internships as part of their degree requirements. And then you have pre-OPT, which is working while you're in school, and post-OPT, which is what most students do, which is basically those 12 months that you get once you graduate from college or once you graduate from university. Hola, Jeffrey de Ecuador. To be able to work in your field of study. So whether or not you choose to engage in work while you're on campus or on CPT or on OPT, which I strongly recommend doing, because I think that it's really important to really put what you've learned at school into the market and see what's going on. Hi, Juan. Hi, can you speak Spanish? Yes, I speak Spanish, but right now I'm doing I'm talking about work options while you're at school in university. Después puedo hablar en español para responder a tus preguntas, pero ahora estoy hablando en inglés por explicar las opciones de trabajo por los estudiantes que están en América. So, not that exciting compared to your options post-graduation, but just as important because it really wants you to think about and conceptualize your career in a professional and strategic way. So go and work your first year of university on campus because that will allow you to network and meet people and possibly get to know the environment that you're in, so that once you've graduated from school, if you're looking for a job or when you're looking for a job, you can really put your experience, your initial experience, to the test. Another thing I want to say about pre-OPT is some people engage in pre-OPT before they actually enter into the labor market post-OPT because it's helpful for them to present professional work experience before they actually engage in post-OPT. And the reason for that depends entirely on your background. So for example, if you are somebody who has never worked, you've never done anything in your home country, we have a question, ¿pueden darle visa de trabajo? Yo tengo visa de turista. Sí, es posible hacer un visa de trabajo con un change of status, un cambio de estatus, pero necesito ver si tú calificas por un visa de trabajo. Existen muchísimos visas de trabajo. So the reason why they do that is because if you're going straight into college, right, you're leaving your home country, let's say you're from Korea, for example, and you really haven't done much work in your home country, and I see these types of cases all of the time. Pre-OPT is something that is helpful for you so that you can really prep yourself and make yourself competitive once you engage in post-OPT. So like I said, a little bit shorter tonight in terms of the information that I'm giving you because it's just a little bit limited while you are in school. But even though you cannot engage in work while you're in school other than your first year of employment on campus, your first year of university, or CPT as a degree requirement, or pre-OPT or post-OPT, hola Raymond, you really can start to think entrepreneurial. And like I said, you can open up a company, you can prep that company, you can hire people to work for that company, but you cannot work in that company. You can serve as an investor in that company, and that company can also serve as, like I said the other day, as a vector or a vehicle for a possible E2 or an EB2 national interest waiver or an EB1A. It really depends on the nature of the company and the work that's produced by that company and by you as well. So again, what are your options while you are a student? What can you do while you are in F1 status? You can work your first year of university. Hola de Ecuador, you can work your first year of university 20 hours a week. You can engage in CPT if it is part of your degree requirements to engage in an internship and put your skills that you've learned at university in the form of an internship. And you can engage in pre-OPT, which is basically a preview of being able to enter into the workforce. Obviously, there's post-OPT. Once you graduate from university, you can engage in post-OPT, which is basically working in your field of study for 12 months. And for STEM people, you get a little bit longer, and there are different rules for STEM people or for STEM graduates, and we will talk about that later this month. But I hope that this was a helpful video, and I hope that this will encourage you to think strategically and in an entrepreneurial manner with your career while you're in school and once you graduate. So thank you everybody for watching. I will be back tomorrow evening. Bye everybody.